Welcome! If you want to showcase your university on your Facebook profile using the latest Facebook app update on your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through each step, making it easy for you to add your university and let your friends and network know where you study. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're on the main page, look towards the top right corner. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you directly to your profile page. Now that you're on your profile, it's time to update your information. Look for the About section. This is where all your personal details are stored, including your education, work, and more. Click on the About tab to open up your profile details. Inside the About section, you'll see several categories. Find and select Work and Education. This is the area where you can add your university along with any previous schools or workplaces. Next, look for the option to Add a University. Click on it, and a form will pop up for you to fill in your university details. Here, you'll need to enter the name of your university, your field of study, the years you attended, and any other relevant information. Take a moment to double-check everything for accuracy. Once you've filled out all the fields, scroll down and click Save. That's it. Your university details are now added to your Facebook profile. Anyone who visits your profile will be able to see where you study, helping you connect with classmates and alumni. If you ever need to update or remove your university information, just follow these same steps. Keeping your profile up to date ensures your friends and connections always know what you're up to. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. See you in the next video.